Have you ever wondered how to draw a manga character with cat ears or a dragon tail? If you've always wanted to give your characters that extra special touch that makes them stand out, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to do just that, so stick around till the end. Hey guys, I'm Mobin, and today we're diving into a super cool tutorial, drawing manga characters with unique features like cat ears or the giant's tooth. If you've been wanting to spice up your characters and make them really pop, you're not going to want to miss this. To start, we're going to make a simple sketch of our character's body. Always begin with basic shapes, a circle for the head, and guidelines. This helps us get a feel for how the character will look and their pose. As you can see, I'm adjusting the proportions as I go. Now for the fun part, adding cat ears. Cat ears add a cute and fantasy vibe to your character. Just draw triangular shapes on top of the character's head. If you make the ears slightly curved and softer, they'll look cuter. Don't forget to add details inside the ears for a more realistic touch. Let's add a giant tooth now. A giant tooth can be long or short, giving your character a magical feel. I'm drawing the giant tooth with details. Play around with the details to match your character's personality, like this. Now that we've got the ears and giant tooth, let's clean up those lines. This step is super important because it makes your drawing look neat and professional. Erase any extra lines and add more details if needed. For example, if your character's a powerful giant, you might want to add more detail, like this. Oh, and one very important point. As always, this is a small cheat. Take a screenshot and use it. If you don't know how to make a villain, don't miss this video. My name is Mobin, and don't forget to subscribe.